So here's the air conditioning drain pipe unclogger that I bought on Amazon. This is only running for $12.80 right now, but this is very helpful. And I've tried this, and this is actually my second brand. It's a different brand that I used the first time, but if you're having issues with your AC line, AC drain, where like you see that it's flooded, or you see precipitations in there and it's not cooling down, all you need is a wet and dry vacuum. This AC drain line cleaner adapter. So the that side goes to your drain pipe. So just be sure you know where your AC drain pipe is, and then the other side is the adapter going to your wet dry vacuum. You connect it, set it up to vacuum, and there you go. You can see it in action. It's gonna vacuum the water and the dust that's actually just in the water from your drain line. And see what I got. So you're gonna get that water from in there, and this actually works. This is not the first time I've used this. This is my second unit, different brand, because I've lost the other one. And here it is. If you're looking into the details, it's in Amazon right now. It has a clear tube that allows you to see remove dirt, sediment. The base that I was talking about, it's gonna fit most HVACs. And then there's a black elbow, only fits a 1 inch opening. So the one that I got fits right away. Like it took me less than 15 minutes to do it. Well, it's less than 10 minutes. And the issue that I was having was my air conditioning unit stopped giving off cool air. So I went and checked it. I saw precipitation, and I saw it was frozen. And then I turned it off, the unit, and then the drain flooded. So I went to the back and used this one, and it worked. Like it really works.